NAPO ho no osidien
me say na sabe NAPO otiase ana ontimi e ma me cancel foforo a lot of energy contracts were signed without or no notice. Now, a group point be a documentation near friend or Casa Wonya.
Really? Na any really. And NAPO and Okoto a GMPC. Now, mo pesa o monton GMPC and I say on Jintumuno. Now, why na board chairman and a Freddie Blay?
Yeah.
Why are you surprised? Why energy to say GMPC needed to be auctioned? And you can afford that more.
Share Myanmar a course under previous government no. Say abayi kase or take action. Why you obey no? Na
party no money pass.
3/4 of the leadership ni na go in Sawam. So no.
Wow.
I am telling you, Myanmar course no na just emfa kwan mu. Like Nkrofo aba be dada yen. Say the bank guarantee aba. Koche ya didn't fake. Minister said no, you just here. Or broke over here. What we do was it. And you see a better over. Now which there no harness of I.
Party harness of I. All right.
What is of I?
It's just by the way.
Eh? Mami gawi. Na push you na mi. Wamuka say wamupe you know say on there contract na nyo na sign onim hu. Wano na ye minister but onim kwa ya mufa so omusign contract no. Enti wanya documentation no. Ana mko report no Akufo Addo. Ana Akufo Addo friend no say adechi a wo hia no. No hu say asemwe to ye fast. No ye documentation no fast. No sign e. Ana osuma no mo de call finance. Ana de no copy ka ho say o mo receive o mo stamp media no so. Ana mo ye answer. And you walk on a share na yimu na boko. Also drew ho. Already. Just say you to two man left, right, center. I say I don't know my why you even daddy. E ho no ye ade no de che no. Afi na ojafo ni mo twa.
Yes, wa obey wa adwen say na wo be block kwan bi e be fa so a ye be lutu o man bia no na ye de wato.
Oh yes.
Etam kuruwam.
Yes.
Now that's if you can't beat them, join them.
I didn't know my boss was also fire. Alan Gyamfi didn't know also fire. All because of some of these things.
Okay.
But I know the all come catch your plane say I do way emwa intimenye.
Menye.
Or be catch your straight. So no. I didn't that one no emwa or mine no. And I will not do it. The suffer or you can say suffering will come nyina no na sichira no. Eti etoda I no be kase last we be say ade na bebia ya na anam say ne medi mani ehu ada me di ho adanse what you say say ukọ energy ministry na sa dubious contract ye last ukọ ye utimu say obi kra we need certificate of commencement we need like nothing obi onum kra na we register you no kra na nya yi o akwa put in applications or register company who near man contract no dada any ade niji na wase ono onye na utresi pan so a particular line there is a particular line bi and as a family bi a sa contract no ho no ho adapo wada we minister ntigen omo hansi asensan ade no wo baabi hwe so omo ka so omo odete pa ho contract ni ade ni omo sensan no Minister of Finance na nkense se ho no omo sign na media we embesho naka oyongo be chase obesore adwane akwakotra America because one can say nim say me waye no amanfo e ka so omo komu a ense wom no be call this 15 times what you say ye be jeli no no dan say no asa ye de ni free ho ba ni asa jeli no ni asa obekọ jeli bebre so ne tie no it is some of these things no me anya me kwanwa say President Mahamadu ni mpeni for amma kwan say
obi anya
adwuma a che say omu ye adwuma ni amanso so ye den koso na obi ohodoma wonye you don't have any background in finance and now utifie now control the financial institutions in this country. What do you expect?
We collapse banks.
What do you expect? So we dey no. And na metie year na o ka say be say we hwe 29 billion how we collapse banks no. Na ka banks no here just 9 billion and they did 29 billions billion a collapse. Now 29 billion o person was banker you need 400 million. It is say we divide here na ka say we were more than 20 banks. More than 20 banks. And cases all this says can now collapse here no establish. It is a bank be kra ho ache no na se onye ya. Wo de wan kasa nka yi wani kra na sa banks na nkasa kra nya dai engu. Na kasika na wo de koko gu no. Na ka wo de establishing new ones. Nka ne me no wo kase. Nke wo indigenous banks no bebre e wa hase. Aso hwe be bia de na. It is a new MD combat or ye adwuma say ye gina ye bo na baso o say na me ka say o say me classmate bi ono so ne friend combat in fact me refi ne first day mu no che say ono so no ye o school na o ye yipa ndi say ni nua dia ane ye hye ne say onyere no ho na wonya adwuma no na enkoye ahyase ya hyase a ye bo abaso no mema no nye yi ema otimunya o de bebre go all out they make sure what we say ye Chinese ni bia be see private refinery.
Yeah.
What would the effort of government in that?
So much.
The just government go. The effort of the president. The effort of the sitting president. Yes. The effort of the sitting president himself in that refinery. Mitwodi na mibisa mo say. Oh yeah, that's what more. Be constituency. Ba.
Na me wo so mo cast be 3 na esanso na me say na refinery say ye adwuma.
Omo ye adwuma. And then people no push bibia de kohodum because that man is a good friend to the GMPC BossJ, former GMPC BossJ, former chairman of the MPP. Na dan for pa. So on dey no. Eti no, just say ye push o man na dey no. Pankoma that private no make iska. Na sika o mu make no at least
omo so
jo omo chefa na oman no sofa. This is the kind of people na omudi oman anim. So on dey no. Eti Ghana for me dey mre bia na me ka say ye damase se mutie yen. Ni ye ka change. Motie ama change aba. Me say na me ka change do say me candidate and win there. But change no aboa Ghana papa. Just imagine say nanka MPP are retaining power.
Say nanka turn agu.
Turn ho a. Hwe in some way PPP ba. Hwe national service. Hwe national service no attorney general. Mesra mo bia de no. Because a grand scheme. In 24 you are aware. Hwe mo kobu yo. In 24 sika no buya na Jubilee House no mo de ko.
No mo discan ko Jubilee.
Oh, me so omo dia gran some be bruise okromaje no ho. E some be bruise okromaje no. Hwe omo ti wono mo no. Omo hihye mu sabre asibe ni omo nkrofo nyina no. Ya fro omo abo ano na mo de momie momo ano mo nko na mo kwa hyensa wam. Ye be confiscate mu properties. Mo be ba no na mo be starting from ground zero. Na nkrofo na mudi sika no komo omo no omo ma ba be ka kire mo se mo ya kromfo. Mo ya kromfo sa no mo be ka kire mo.
Yeah.
Me attorney general me wie kra me hwese metima fa office wo no ma. Esi akoko bia yi no bi so na fa omutimi to ade no why. Hwe me gifted eya me offer se. Offer me offer baako. Ne ma me chese everything. Na ebrebi ana me traffic so adwumre. Ana m ka say de NDC for ye me offer se no mani nyo. Wo ye deputy there's a general no MD na nkasa na ono ho no ono no mu modidi ana deputy no ana budi na si so ana femi ma process go through answer obi betima fiscal wafa ana the day ba form kakra asasori the same thing look hwe abaya de yese o pepeni bi ahia no ade na di nkomo bi no mo broko no ana oye na adwen sa ne obekasa o catch obi say ani obebiem the next morning their friend say oh pedi no person ohia what boy no nipa close to 14 and at all na utum rade yankopon na fe ye panicho say onya botre won to no boase ne de kaka ho hey omoboa speak out
exactly
speak out Moses says sikana mu de akoma won Moses sana mu de akoma won wo musi yedin mozumu yedin me
sikana do
me say me kwato de gyina ho so betima protect me wo fa se na amame a wo biem na ka bo nkrofo a wo mu do mkwakọ gyina ye ka de say court honum wo mu ma no ma ye say tam wo mu ma na fofo ayeye say tam wo be kwa akohye nsa wom asopa wo dwene wo ma ho open up Benadmona ye ko ayi ase no by elections ase no by elections
so ase no Agyarko
my credible information tells me say e honum na no mu yisika free diko my credible intel so the whole thing was a grand scheme. She near mo etim no ye ka se ye ka mu be dwane afri krom ha o mu be dwane afri krom ha na me won se ebra ye ka ajapade ye na o mo de makokot afi ni e be case management ye be sha se adua bi a be bo krom ha se no and see a static case no what you say Bernard me say wafa phone ana say won fa phone ana wode me akokot say me dey asamato so meanwhile no we dey you no wonim say phone no wafa but because the management of photo ankita ye can say evidence no na evidence no ye beji wo wiem me bodua say nipa no de ma akokot no say ye no krese wodi mu hwe ana wode me kokot a won fa do hunni enko free what you say na say wodi mu bi pa court no ye enko the 3 times na no mbekasa no bia susu behu na bia na me bodo me mbode keko me bo me aye no coverage ankasa
ba press conference
dia nyankopon o de bonya botre de hade na mo sorry a say look what dey go round share buildings new development ekoso insase na for dia hwe ye wo abrantie bi okromase say MPP can say President Mahamadu Bawumia MPP for a wo mo G state line na wo mo nya sa branch no be huni nyina
okay
wo be huni nyina look adi mu ha ya
adi mu ha ya
obi di me fa hodom oh we die ni and wo kire me bi egu hodom say me so me nko apply di na me say bo
me nam he
man ko apply ene wo ko ajabubu high rise buildings ana yade ko hodum yedi gugu ho Gyamfi for no de ade no wo be wia yen da wasa de aba be di achem
yeah no akajo so amobra
ye ekoso organa no enti combat enhwe se wo ye aduma ni nyina no obe dive into 8 so open committee bi no monhwe just dubious activities be a cause unti ade agency ka no no mu wi a wo mu di aba Attorney General for na fe ni o mbe no no motima ye eti NSS ya ye wi akoja me Attorney General
mate ye be ko
ye be ko biebie mo
ye be bie mo ho and never was a beam. Near you'll be out to that. I was say, as I said, that was it. The name is Century Refinery. Oh, yes, Century, but that's it. As I kind of follow the Amapa. All right, but at the answer, say petitions are the for the removal of electoral commissioner and the 2 deputies. Say the special prosecutor come. Presidents are referred to Chief Justice to establish a prima facie case.
Yeah, but many worker and some way over 50 years so.
No, what campaign?
And Amaka say, I am surprised. Said Dr. Bossman. Anigi Mensa. Omodaso Eye Juma Ewa Electoral Commission. If he said all political parties, including the ruling government party, MPP, it me collate election results, know the outcome 2.5 days before the Electoral Commission could now come and make a formal declaration. That declaration only was a mark of gross and crass incompetence. Time being in Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, over year the announcement will lose the elections. And OG2.
After the next morning.
By 9:30.
Yeah, the next morning.
Now, my political party, they are not clothed with the infrastructure that the Electoral Commission has.
Yeah.
They have their results. Or when them say they have lost. Not only say we lose the presidential elections, or to say the overwhelming majority of the votes and constituency have gone to the NPC. Moment after that, John Mama accepted the victory. And yes, sir.
Yeah.
All political parties, and hear me, yeah. Me and I mean participating, or I was not allowed to be on the ballot box. No?
Yeah.
By 11 p.m. that night, now there was massive jubilation in my house. Say you may not yakunanchi.
Say
you may now obeba sankana.
Na me jina dome Kwabena.
And now to me sankana. Say you may no. We had to kill a cow because the number of people that thronged my house. Just in celebration of say, ye declare support at the Amajo Mahama. And the wedding could come and see the jubilation. And Eba 8, Nami, I was satisfied with constituencies because now I was just then by 8 p.m. John Mama was in excess of 140 constituencies. Until now, I had overworked. Don't forget that on the 5th, I was in Accra. On the 4th, we went and had an accident in the Sasi Bontifufu. Okay.
Yeah.
And then on the 5th, I had to come and support the NDC in their final rally at Medina. On the 6th, Anopa, I had to struggle to go to Tamale and drive from Tamale to Wa to go to Sankana to go and finalize run until I was tired, completely exhausted. Until 8 p.m. on the 7th. Now, I say, I will say, Dabi. I say, oh, elections is over. John Mama has won. And at the time now, I say, John Mama had over 140 MPs. And the way the trend was going, places that you did not expect NDC to win. Master, they say I was so centrally Minister for Interior. No, Charlie. Nanyama, I say, so I just said, oh,
let me go and sleep.
Let me go and sleep. These chiefs, so I went and then I switched on the television for them and I went to sleep. Me say by 11, 12, before I realized my house was full, the noise, I couldn't sleep again. Me piana amam for a jubility. So they had to kill a cow that night to start to prepare food to take care of the people. Jean Mensa took 2 more days to be able to say that this person has officially won the elections. Chair, elections nomination forms, Ofilibi.
Yeah.
sɛ ofa ɔmo ankasa ɔmo forms na ɔmo de maaye no errors na ɛwɔ forms na ɔmo de ma candidate say yanko feel no you cannot count them. And yeah, na me bubo so at the time they said that my form they identified errors. And I pointed out their own errors. Yeah, one of the errors I take note of is that if you want to write, say, me a bedman, na me or what do you say?
Male or female?
Male or female?
No. What is
sex?
Sex.
Sex. No.
Mokochiro X SIX.
That's sex. Wow.
Mochiro XIX. Intimate make me actually 7 and I 8.
I number.
You make all those mistakes. You wanted to talk about presidential elections, then you went and said parliamentary elections in my presidential form.
Wow.
You make errors. And your errors you are allowed to carry. But also obia ye error nti sat error no entimi manipa no enkogina elections. As for their pronouncement to say near Dr. Bosman Kai say NDC is a threat to democracy. And near all threat to democracy is actually the anchor of democracy. Can you continue to be in office?
No.
So I don't think that I say Omontana say no Omontwen say a petition or 7 petitions. So yeah, media non koye. Media non koye. And I'm sure say Metro Media as an individual, my party also right as a political party. And many other people who decided that they ought to go and yet themselves Mumbako. After all, energy in Mensa in declaring the elections results say Ocean.
Or say it is finished.
Or say it is finished. What is finished? Ejuma bonina no odi wo hono. Eno na na awie. Into onankasa nim say awie. So what is he that they want the president to and the petitions na share asio.
Yeah.
Under President Akufo Addo, petitions were sent to President Akufo Addo on Jean Mensa.
Otchere.
And many of them who sent the petitions, you know, or the copies of the petition at the pre-abonting, and my who say, or the petitions here come presidency. And the petitions for the removal of the Electoral Commission, no, I'm even surprised that they said it's 7. Because I know, say, so Mofa near Akufo Addo and Mfanye Jumano, and the current ones, including says people working within the Electoral Commission, Ankasa a petitioner. I'm sure that there should be over 30 petitions on the Electoral Commission. And it will not be long. I'm sure that in the 1 or 2 weeks, Justice Bafu Bonini or Mukwa for Mubashim, they will come out that this level of incompetence, mediocre, this Electoral Commission, yeah. Jean Mensa was appointed chairperson of the Electoral Commission. All of a sudden, yes, limited elections in electoral areas. Jean Mensa said that no district offices.
And registration.
Limited registration. No district offices. Hopeson Bediatuo. Say, if you want, onim bole bamboy, onim baby or moderate work. Bole.
And if you bole bamboy.
Just on the road, unko inside interiors and san obedru bamboy, you will take 3 hours driving a V8.
Yeah.
From Bole or from Bamboy to Bole. 3 hours driving on the main road. Now, see, Obia our Bamboy. Oni car, oni moto, oni sachere. Onfa ni onamdade. Sisi anwadan ni kagdi. Na onanti enkodu Electoral Commission office.
Oh,
Bole. Okodru ha na omosi machines no emfa yie. Nti obeda, so invariably the person will spend 1-2 days to do a registration that is free. Yeah, car. Now to hurt to you. You force people to go and do that. When we pointed out that it cannot be done, I said they were creating registration centers that were not captured by Onankasani publications. This is the Electoral Commission we are talking about. This is the Electoral Commission we are talking about. And I don't think that there is any merit. Media, watch it. I think that she has overstayed her welcome as chairman of the Electoral Commission, and you call IPAC meeting. Hopes now owned by IPAC. You call IPAC meeting. One IPAC meeting, yeah, Kwaku Annan. Yeah. Now, the Mensa is a scam. Now, Sesiano, police they have cordoned the area. IPAC, political parties are coming. I've been there, and I worked for a lady. Omoji in a bag. They searched through her bag, frisked the bag, Eddie Bibian, and Omoji bag on NSA bag on Intimicum.
And I packed security.
Do you understand? They went through her bag, searched everything. Omuye, they say you still cannot carry the bag in. Why did you have to search the bag? And they will frisk you. You could do IPAC mu. Yeah, now policeman. I think I've said this before. Ojina, Jean Mensa, say what to say. The policeman was just behind her, and now now I dress in a riot gear. Me babe kasebia na policeman no ehwe me any bonyo face. So I got up and said, look, anytime I want to raise my hand to talk, this policeman at the back of Jean Mensa is intimidating me. Onye member of IPAC, he cannot be in IPAC. Then other people supported me, say, wait, no, it doesn't make sense. Yeah. And then eventually we had to ask the policeman, nobody will get up from IPAC to go and attack Jean Mensa. Yeah. And if we are coming to attack Jean Mensa, one policeman cannot even save the Jean Mensa. Now every day, soldiers. Abra, it is only the president that can go or be guided by soldiers. Jean Mensa was being protected by soldiers. And Kenya Boni and the Uji were electoral commissioner. Do you need soldiers to guide you? So, well, since the Electoral Commission was seen as your personal and family property, and you will see that when you hold an office, some people were sitting in that office before you came. Yeah. You ought to do good to all manner of persons, irrespective of their level of hatred for those people. Yeah, the PNC that I lead since 1992 has been consistent in contesting elections in this country. Jean Mensa disqualified PNC. Jean Mensa disqualified PNC thinking that is Bernard Mona. Also, Otime Asun. As for Kissi Agyapong, I think it came too early because Arise Ghana was just planning a demonstration.
Oh, okay.
And we had a meeting. And Hopeson, yeah, sometimes I'm yet. Mufa, special prosecutor at the Eba, the only reason why you were bringing that office was that Martin Amidu was prison in his own government. Wachro. In Sema Mode, Ejinemu, and you campaign to remove John Mahama. So now more pese Martin Amidu, Onimumu, near Ekosu or John Mahama administration. So you will make him special prosecutor in order that he will deal with John Mahama and collapse the NDC. Obaya, the evidence was not supporting some of the things he himself wrote. Intina Yedin. Yewa Anamwa Kofa. Government official one, Airbus and Sammy Yadiaba. Why Shishe Musa, they went and concluded that she knew as far as your mama is concerned. Martin Amidu got frustrated. Oba Bekase, no ankasa extra whilst being special prosecutor. Say, President, when I say your officials, you give them unfettered access to examine near Ekoso. But Okose ya na Ken Ofori Atta chokino. Okose ya na wa chokino. Okose ya na wa chokino. Afedi otchere ne epistula na ahomache Ken Ofori Atta etinifie. It is in that thing he stated the mother serpent of corruption, President Akufo Addo. Only mother serpent. Into corruption ni nyina no near odi omonim the president. Into Ken Ofori Atta di na yeketua. MD of Boss Asante Bediatuo na yeketua. Ni esi wa national service no munyina omoye Akufo Addo ni ma because he is the mother serpent of corruption. After you went in to try to prevail. And a papa no or resign here. Mukofa Kissi Agyapong Edibai. And I keep asking, what is the special prosecutor supposed to do that the Attorney General of Ghana cannot do? But Ebedru baby no. Attorney General Nankasa Kase. In fact, Godfrey Damino can say, only Attorney General Achishem until Wagyere to say Attorney General can carry on with some duties. Let's say you crafted an act knowing very well that Attorney General's functions cannot be hived up because Constitution and the Attorney General, the power at the man. So the office of the special prosecutor is useless and is more than duplication of the functions of the Attorney General. And no, and Kissi Agyapong, in my opinion, only Ken Ofori Atta akoye deal. And no one Ken Ofori Atta.
Hey, you
oh, nah. Say a phone call. No answer. And I'll bet you a letter. I'll respond. Only Ken Ofori Atta akoye deal. Because now no make I say Obia Ehun. The kind of pressure Gabby mounted and his choice was Kissi Agyapong. Nobody knew Kissi Agyapong. And once Gabby pronounced Kissi Agyapong, Akufo Addo appointed him as the special prosecutor. Does Gabby move without Ken Ofori Atta or does Ken Ofori Atta move without Gabby? They were two partners in milking our nation dry. Inti, who say those are now ebano. Edoso, or my Ken Ofori Atta APA. Knowing very well that Ken will not come, was 1 minute. And now you come and declare him fugitive of justice. Attorney General say, okay, why you follow process the Anuninano, Interpol, any obia, essay, you bet me, into Odia fa. Baby, why ye we Jumano Akodruno, Fabrayan. Then we can take the next action. Omom o Otchere Ghana for. Say, justice moves slowly, that you cannot speed up. Attorney General, no, I say, baby, I will do a untimin quenim, no. Fabra na yasu yanhwe. I feel the only docket be only any procedure be at the command Attorney General. Are you not in cahoot with Ken Ofori Atta to ensure that Ghana is milk dry? So I'm not surprised that there are petitions already. Like I said, Arise Ghana, even as these petitions are on, I'm sure that our protest against Kissi Agyapong will not stop.
Okay.
And we will take it up.
Commander.
Yeah. Mensa. And the two deputies. Me famfree Mensa. Na oye obiana me penasampa ana like me cherish no. The year 2000, before the 2000 elections, we say that was where you organized the first presidential debate.
Yeah.
Na that time no very young ne remember penasampa. I just say na me follow no. In fact, when we are talking about democracy, the Fourth Republic, were part of it, what you mean a burden. At a point, the institution, na omo NAPO political parties general secretaries. In fact, omo and omo MPs were parliament. My names were extending to others in the I didn't know, but omo parties are no more MPs or parliament there. Now omo to omo general secretaries every month any other. And now a good thing.
My church na me youth organizer became general secretary. I'll trade the Mukatra.
Okay. Chese, yeah, who yeah. Obey chairperson of electoral commission fede. Chese bibia jinsem any other. Now we young family in young fast bonum Akufo Addo. Because or no and the cocoa be sa kwine no to ho. Afarijan was the electoral commissioner through Lawrence Pencil, Befer Muko 4 pencil, Eba Mercy pencil, Emma Yababi Ura, President Mahamadu first term. I just say after election petitions are what they call retirement. And President Mahama appointed a new AE. Afarijan was not removed, or retired. Or retire and I see a new chairperson, and they appointed new chairperson. And then people say, hey, Yampany, that American people. As ye, oh, yeah, then Kwaku the sitting president, or no Namrano man of quine say, or appoint you be. Or appoint you be, I say, won't you say? Nasadi no buy ya, natures a Kwaku say. MPP take you over pet. I can tell you, up to now, Charlotte said a petitioner no, one name no, Bernardona. Charlotte, no petition yet.
No signing, you know.
Look, Aremeyaw Anas said all these things were orchestrated at the Jubilee House. But where is here, you know? Everything was done at the Jubilee House. So, be understand up to now, you ain't anybody didn't be seen there. And they call you. It is the way ya. Esiba ye na manfo sorry. Oh, and she said, "Ko say ni na eka keka ho." Let us say what you say that to. Say obi susu ba, ono susu betimi
I investigate.
No no so de ne dia ba. Any ade. Ana o ma no call ya akokofa aje Mensa. E ba ye. Pa deputy. No mo say boss master lukra. No, yeah. A test come for patron. A war, a lego. A children, dear. What done what he said? What you say, Auntie Munchena? Oh, changing I trying. I'm see David. Now we are going to head of IT. No, Bruno.
Yeah.
Now, or Kasama MPP. Any other woman to buy a mouth for Kasaya. See, changing I trying. Akufo Addo adita mi say na me wo timi sesa na adwene ano yes anu manina nka mo nya adwuma no mpo na nka honte na Ghana fo hu say oh adwuma die hwate what you say anna ehun kokwasa look the Mensa declare President Mahama president elect what declare no say aka 9 constituencies bia wo muntimi enya yinwiye na okasa na ni nyina bom ne de ma eye Mahamadu Bawumia na still no ensisa the who won the elections and you know go ahead go ahead no President John Mahama 56 point something without the 9
yeah
ana Bawumia 41 point something without the 9 nine no be kan ho mo ye bibia wie ye no na President Mahama move up for 57 point something na Bawumia ate aba 38 point something 38.3 another smaller parties no so edinya na ese so munyinya wo mo ko gazette no na manfo atima kwakọ ye kululu ase ye gazette ne 41 no na da man gazette 56 no am ko gazette 57 eti wo ko fa de na se wo check ya wo say e di asem gura emfa eti wo say ya what do you expect eti ya an official gazette an official eye kululu ado mo ye
so na mo ka aka naipe
aka naipe Nana and so they are 9 of pay. Nadia Mensa. You see, initially, Nanka men pese and Kebedusa stage way. At least, President of the Republic, when I am president, so in Shishayebi, a year. Once all your state institution, president has the right to be having that kind of meetings and other things, how the democracy we can build upon and in the Kakahunina, so on. But ocean we may be a SCCR up to now. Nina Koso IPAC in the Kakahun. Look, how can a country like Ghana, the fourth Republican state, na ye call elections na ye call no constitution na makwan say utimi call as independent candidate and a political party so etimi call and yes okay ya TBB a friend no IPAC interparty
interparty
advisory committee said that time you know wa mo hwe ya ngai say ya interparty and independent something wa hu ne tie no man is but just a kwa say we call elections once you matter in the elections you are participating in the elections no as a meetings no mo kwa ukobi Mensa kwanse o ma independent for ukobi what kind of nonsense say parties no we are we be share independent for say wo more than one sabio say wo more than one say we be den waka identity political parties and take a decision. Independent for gas side decision on take care no money. How do you synchronize it?
Even balloting.
Balloting grant just here political parties we and say about be enya abodam semwa. How can this thing happen in the country like Ghana? How? Better do the same day. The same people, the same voters are going to queue and vote at the same time. You need two different, you say, two political parties, you have two independent. Are they? And one no dear. Me first but say dear, I fully support the remover. Mamu manage tempo. Mamu manage. I don't know. What him say Kwaku Aba? Obi a wojina independent be a suffered because omo deny accreditation. What am going to deny? Or one can say, my accreditation. At the top level, officials in Ombemo, you know, I don't know, Crano, Braye Bremu. After you pulling agents, or more corner with the letter call me, there be your best candidate in Anga. What kind of stupidity? What kind of stupidity? But more party, and Yamujana secretary design.
Yes.
The candidate should sign the letter. Election day, what the why yapo? Yes, na o candidate. Nipa na no work panda no.
Ono better one
so that you know. One my for no, you can say accreditation. Now before then, now MPP for Chama won't to me because I land vote to na you become MPP.
No, my cofa I know I register my MPP for as MPP agents.
Almost soon they recruit too. You can say presiding officers, you know, most of them 90% MPP for. Tino mukagumusa, or mukagumusa any other. Now, what's it? No one kasa or yes smarter. Kasa bring or put in resignation the dada. Now, call my netima consider now, he say, or bet me a jado quine kakra any other. Or bet now, chinchina train. Chinchina train for no. One the only one gas will go echo escort in your radio. No one gas will go escort in your radio. What kind of a you know? Look, you got two by election or eduso. And this is for withdraw one go be. MPP and then independent. Yeah. So these people cannot be trusted. in the first place. And to me, I fully so like ABC though. Charlotte says one petition penny at you. One
petition crampono. Nipa na otchere any dean the signature ni ho. Where there 7 with identified people.
Ebi am kwa so grebo. But say petitions no cover 15 o. That metie one lawyer bi an organ. So on yet no. Ebi see that. Say sad way etimi ahapeza. So on yet no. Now okay, we won't say you ana umu kosro ba for mu pa mu nsu mo je omu beko. Because in seminar 2
minutes second zip line at 7 and run minutes
good Nati media minim say Justice Bafuben obeye near SSA oye ebano ekoyi because nyama no mo dia atototo akwan mu no enya de say I mean gross incompetence ebini ne nana mebubobo so yi what you say declaration of a Ukraine just a problem the nana benadi kai political parties within that day now by midnight omo who say oh yes. This is the result now what you honum now yes I na so okona competent person ba na fi otimi bebe yi Kissi Agyapong so no there what him say MPP for and I did the buy initially na omo fi say Matiamidu ene Jo Mahama omunte mungu enti ka omu ba be yusu Matiamidu na omu de aguda ni mwase enti Matiamidu mrana omu kekake kansa o ana airbus ana dian na chese watimi ayayi na before then no say na Bernard kano hwe wo say Martin President Mahama the first time no na say I don't know say na open na no nyanti o who say no church person pa yeah church no accusations in the big allegations na fe o say oh papa wo de nyana say no nim Mahama no oh obegwie no ana mo kofa no ne vetting ade hu say eh Samuel Martin Tiatintia no church nyina no sa ne ngahu
also ne makrampo nyaneba okay because they are not my children they are adults
hey en someone get ngahu aja omu ye ya naja ya omu passe no ana okwatena no o say omu first ayi onye airbus oye ya onu ahu cha hwedim no nani na mu afede ohun sa de no enkoye no na o resign na o resign no something happened along the line men kan wa sam sisi ya na fe awon for say sadio we ya si de ane mode Kissi Agyapong ba be okay be jam within seconds me eti an si announce Kissi Agyapong hey someone was powerful to propose he say adena we mi kura no me jamu a just a mode sa lawyer we abeye special prosecutor papa ya wadwani Ken Ofori Atta any gabby na de Kissi Agyapong e bai ana chese e appointed no wonu so ba ye eja kukro na fe you say airbus sensem who say at a point no mo who say won cooperate so maybe oh sadio mi pese mi yesi no mo cooperate ana mo yesa na mo betunu ana mo mo bi su tro petition e de bra ku for the one or refer man just tokonu na just tokodu tro no and here or reply who say tro the editor so a utimi kan kama enje ya afi de ekokodru ya na chese hwenim na chese se eja no ma no ho no onu so call airbus no so ye ya no ka se oh airbus no ma hwehwem ma ye bibia chese onu so hwenim President Mahama ne ho fita any ade hey MPP 40 kwa pai Go MPP for so one wesi papa isu jina ni o. Enti sa petition we yakwe. I think say it's going to be a national issue. A national issue in the sense is NDC MPP will agree say papa we wanye den onko.
Opposition for now bukra person oko.
I don't see any division.
Yeah, okay.
Say, just say, Omanu be divided on Kwesi Agyapong. I don't think so. Because every before Nangasa per se permanent that. And I quite an ababeto. And this is for to say, Nadia, the why you see a good way, the why you go best say, well, you can't say, oh, I perceive ye, why you best say, and mamma. Etino, and yet, at your other day, meaning say, a national interest. Say, or no beko. Eti share the way no say yen in Yama. Look, yeah, you share every year, Sika near the office of the special prosecutor. Nian Kabum. Nian say Juma Bain and no my a gross cause financial loss to the state, just like that. Who every moment. Branda Akufo Addo ye and was shared that office in the or yes, and what the Babette and DC Keke. And in that now, Casa Ubetimi, a prosecutor, even a sitting government. You know. A year then now, Sunday Cross Kokoshe was say, so obey your prosecution, just a authorization, every attorney general. Because the sitting minister, Uber prosecutor now, as a attorney general to me, clear answer. One clear won't to me. One yet, you know. I don't want to start in the best just to protect themselves. And no, Anna, na alacha mateka say, sa existing laws in na CID, special prosecutor, nya dia na young consolidating in one. Nya just one unit, fighting corruption. And then, yeah. What me mami, Sister Adapadi, our brain, but Madania ma Yoko. How? But say one person, not your money to me, prosecutorial powers. I won't conquer to me be free attorney general. And we can say corruption related issues are. I tell you, say, you bet me acquiring. Going forward, you know, I think, say, see ye way from President Mahama should look at the law. No one shall say, Obetima consolidate. Nanka, why no stronger. Now, what channel, every attorney general, say, manage powers, a basse, younger prosecution, I won't get powers in free no. Any idea? I think, say, Enka, a beboa. Intermediate petitions now going we support petitioners, you know. Say, Nyama and Timingukoye, because it's a united party. Yeah, birthday structures, any other. Yeah, Pequaya, Anna, Mode, I feel no more bentino, Montre, I park meeting, in Penifono Korea number, Yampesa Denibium. All right,
yes, I'm a time and not so, but I zip line I deal with them. One time, just 2 minutes, maybe it's here. And no minister says zip line, a Juma was a Yanya, a short condom, near Maniama. I'll see, and I'm saying, I'm going to pump, you know, also condom.
Na condom.
Yes, say. Now, to the other by so one for more junk of hospitals, and I say, I saw, of course, a condom. No Francois, a can say,
condom is part of health products. But yeah, on a more serious note, say Hopeson Adorye, baby, I made the never count.
Hold the never count.
Zip line, yeah, Modi by zip line. Nami ankasa mi bra edieni. Na se utie part of the story. Ose ni mami na ne papa oyare ya na omope blood.
Omope
moja. Ena kofa we bra ehmu na ne papa efa mu. Ewu ya. Nti omode concept no bae pe
na nije
ho ena kofa bae. Ena mi bisan se na sika no a mode ebabetu ya nipa no. Have you checked it? The cost of the drones, yanke editor planes mienu.
Anya izo.
Nke editor planes
mienu.
Or more. Beyond that, me ne eye me ya. Ne say me bra Bawumia. Let me say omo akone e na omo de nsa akoki paper. Stiff, you know. Zip line, no edi enim. Kelni GVG, no edi enim. Bibia asika kese e wo no, no mo de na akoto enim. No mo de chire, no mo di. Ghana your friend saying post digital
Ghana post.
Ghana digital something.
Ghana post GPS, yeah.
Onu na edi. Ya moko ye Ghana post any sika no amoko tuya no. Zaye bibia da Google Ghana. In fact, when was the last time you took the GPS Ghana post? Say
Google na.
And okwa no almost say mame Google location.
Yeah.
There is no Ghanaian that tells you that
GPS.
The mami with GPS location. So GPS location now, it must be run on the Google app. So why are you paying so much money for something that is already free?
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.